Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use filters to find tasks quickly in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. The first step is to navigate to the Filters section on the left-hand side of your Todoist dashboard. This is where we'll be spending most of our time, as it's the control center for managing your tasks. The reason we do this is because it gives us easy access to all of our tasks, letting us sort and filter them as needed. Once you're in the Filters section, it's time to start creating your filters. Click on the Add Filter button at the top of the screen. This helps us because it allows us to customize what tasks we see, keeping our focus only on what's important. Now that we've done that, let's name our filter. Try to choose a name that represents the tasks you're filtering for. For example, if you're filtering for tasks due today, you might name your filter Due Today. This is crucial because a well-chosen name will make it easier to identify what each filter does at a glance. Next up, we need to define the criteria for our filter. In the Query field, type in the conditions for your tasks. You could use things like priority levels, due dates, or even keywords in your tasks. The reason we do this is to fine-tune our filter, ensuring we only see the tasks that meet our specific needs. Finally, click on the Add Filter button to save your new filter. You can now quickly access your tasks by clicking on your new filter in the Filters section. This is important because it saves us time and keeps us focused on our most pressing tasks. Now that you know how to use filters in Todoist, you can streamline your task management and boost your productivity. Remember, filters are there to make your life easier, so don't be afraid to use them to their fullest potential. And with that, we've reached the end of our tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay productive. Until next time.